It's ExpressAmber, and today we are talking about IFTA renewals. A lot of jurisdictions have their renewal date on December 31st. However, that is not the case for every state, so you want to make sure that you check with your jurisdiction if you do not know what your renewal date is for sure. Also, a lot of the jurisdictions will mail out a renewal packet. A lot of them do it by email now that we're in like 2021. However, again, if you have not received an email or if you have not received a packet, go check with your jurisdiction. You can call them and ask them about the renewal. What is the deadline? What is the process? All of that good stuff. Most of the jurisdictions have an online account, and you've probably already registered for that account because that's where you file your quarterly returns. And if that's the case, a lot of the renewals will take place through that portal. However, there are some states, again, that are still allowing paper renewals and paper quarterly returns to be submitted. In order to renew your IFTA, the IFTA department requires that you have 4 quarters of returns on file. So if you have been in operation since, let's say 2019, you would have had to file 4th quarter of 2019, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd quarter of 2020 to renew your 2020 IFTA license. The same thing here. Let's say you've been in operations, forever. You need to have all 4 quarters filed before you can renew your 2021 IFTA license. If you missed a quarter, if you have an outstanding payment, your renewal will be put on pause until that is taken care of, and then they will allow you to renew your IFTA license. Again, if you need a system to create a file-ready IFTA report, go check out trucklogics.com. The information that you input on a daily or weekly basis will generate that file-ready report at the end of the quarter, each quarter, so that you're ready to go enter that information into your portal or mail that or however you do your quarterly IFTA. So again, trucklogics.com, there's a 15-day free trial, but you'll fall in love with it. You'll want to subscribe. We have packages from leased operators all the way up to however many trucks. We also have packages available for brokers and dispatchers. Set yourself up for success in 2022. Make sure that you are ready to go into the new year prepared on the paperwork side of things. I know a lot of truckers just want to focus on driving and getting the loads and all that good stuff, but there's a whole other side that if you work it correctly and efficiently, you'll make even more money. So go check out trucklogics.com and make sure that you are ready for your IFTA quarterly returns that come up. One last thing I wanted to talk about is some states offer a grace period. A lot of things happen at the end of the year, and so we just want to make sure that you are prepared and that you are ready to renew your IFTA as soon as it's due. If you have any other questions, we're here to help. Comment below with any questions that you might have regarding IFTA, quarterly returns. We get a question a lot of times like, oh, I didn't drive it all this quarter. Do I still have to file? Yes. There's a lot of questions like that happen. And so if you do have any questions regarding IFTA, quarterly returns, or renewals, or whatever, comment down below and I will be happy to answer any additional questions that you might have. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also tell all of your friends about ExpressAmber because I love helping the trucking community. So I want to grow my page and become #1 on the trucker YouTube list. That's my goal for 2022. So subscribe, tell your friends about me, comment down below. And also, if you would like me to discuss anything in my upcoming videos, let me know. Give me some topics that you would like for me to discuss and I will certainly do my best. So thank you all so much. Merry Christmas if I don't see you before then. And Happy New Year, but I better see you because I'm going to be releasing some new videos. So come back and check them out. All right, I'll talk to you soon.